ChatGPT just released scheduled tasks. I think you have to be a paid user, 20 bucks US per month. And simply you just go up to the top, click this button, and then ChatGPT 4 with scheduled tasks. So what I did a couple days ago was I said, okay, let's set up a scheduled task to send me new information on AI trends. So it's given me a summary of 4 or 5 trends, and then it's given me the sources for each of those trends. What's the big deal? It's just nice to have it inside of ChatGPT, and that means that every day this thread will be updated. You can also do it in Google Alerts. I've used Google Alerts for over 10 years now, and just go to google.ca/alerts, and then you can create an alert. So these are just some of the things that I'm watching for, and then it gets emailed to you on a daily basis or however you've got it set up. 9 a.m. delivery time. It's a digest at most once a day. So that's just a simple tip. If you're trying to follow something and you want to stay on top of it, let's say for your boss and he's into whatever, and this is one of the best ways that I know to do that. And now with chat, being that, as you can see, I kind of live inside of the chat environment, this is a great way to stay in touch. Okay, thanks.